Hello everyone, I am Manali Kaude. Welcome back to the tutorial series of Subject.NET Programming. In previous video, we have discussed about input box. If you have not yet watched that video, then I will put the link in below description box. In today's tutorial, we are going to see what is message box. So let's get started with the tutorial. Message box is a function which displays a message and waits for the user to click on a button, and then an action is performed based on the button clicked by the user. Now let's see the syntax of message box function. So you have to write down the keyword MSG box, then within the parenthesis you have to mention arguments. So the first argument is you have to mention the prompt which is of string type. Second argument is the style of message box. And the third argument is the caption which will be displayed on title bar of message box. So let's see the example of message box function. As you can see on your screen, this is an IDE of Visual Studio. I will place one button control on the form. Now I will go to the property window and change the name property of button as btn_click. Next, I will change the font property of this control. So I will change the size and the font of the control, as you can see on your screen. Then after, I will change the text property. I will write down click here. I will resize the button control. Next, now I will change the property of form control. So the first property which I will change is text, and I will write down example of message box. Then after, I will change the name property of form and I will write down frm_msg. I will change the startup position of the form so that the output will be displayed at the center of the screen. Now I will write down the code MSG box as a keyword. Within parenthesis, the first argument which I have mentioned is the string, that is welcome. Now we will see the output. So whenever I click on this button, it will display a dialog box, and the string which I have mentioned within the argument is displayed over there. Now I will write down the second argument, which is the message box style. So from the drop down, I will select the style of the message box which I want to display. Let's see the output for the same. So now I am clicking on the button. As you can see, it has displayed the exclamatory mark in the message box. Now I will mention the third argument, which is the title, which is of the type string. So this title must be within the double quotes. So now let's see the output for the same. So whenever I click on the click here button, so it will display the dialog box, and it has changed the title bar of message box, as you can see on your screen. So this was all about the message box. Now we will see few questions related to this concept. So the first question is, what is message box? Second one is, why do we need message box? And the third one is a program, that is, you have to calculate simple interest, and the output of the simple interest must be displayed in message box. This was all about message box in VB.NET. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching this video.